This video is going to introduce you to some of the common colors in German, and these are going to be useful for describing everyday objects, clothes, and a lot of other things. So let's look at some of the most important colors for beginners. Repeat after me to practice your German speaking. Rot, red, blau, blue, gelb, yellow, grün, green, schwarz, black, weiß, white, grau, gray, braun, brown, orange, orange, rosa, pink. And there's a few interactive exercises here in this lesson. You can also learn more by going to the post on German colors. So if you are new here, we're in the A1 German course. This is a free course with interactive exercises and free downloadable learning materials. So if you want to learn more about German colors, we'll go to the blog post, and we have flashcards you can also download. Print them out, cut them out. They have all of the German colors. So we have our beautiful flashcards, and we can learn very in-depth about basic colors in German. I want to cover some simple example sentences with colors. For example, das Auto ist rot. The car is red. Meine Tasche ist schwarz. My bag is black. Ich mag blaue Kleidung. I like blue clothing. Die Blume ist gelb. The flower is yellow. Sein Fahrrad ist grün. His bicycle is green. Now, let's say we want to talk about light, dark, and colorful in German. We can say hell, that means light. Hellblau. Ich mag hellblaue Kleidung. I like light blue clothes. We can say dunkel, dark. Sein Fahrrad ist dunkelgrün. Bunt means colorful. Die Farben sind bunt. The colors are colorful. And pastel is pastel. This was a pretty simple and basic German lesson. I'd like you to practice writing a sentence with each of these German colors, even if it's just a very short and simple sentence. And I'll see you in lesson 11.